I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off Duolingo sound effects. Step 1. Open the Duolingo app and then tap the ellipses icon in the menu. Step 2. Tap Profile in the menu that opens. Your Duolingo profile screen will be shown. Step 3. Tap the Settings icon on this screen. Step 4. Find the Account section and then tap to select Preferences. The associated menu opens. Step 5. Tap to toggle off sound effects. Going forward, the dinging sound and the sparkle sound that plays whenever you get an answer correct are muted. This also turns off the vibrations that go along with these sounds. You can navigate back to this screen at any time to turn Duolingo sound effects back on. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.